Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to draw a line around an image in iCloud Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your iCloud Keynote. Then create your presentation. Now you can see here are my presentation. Now I draw a line around an image in this presentation. At first I have to insert an image. Click this image icon and press choose media option. Now find your image. Now simply just double click on your image. Now I resize this image. Now I select, then click show or hide format style option. Now you can see here are border option. Click this border and choose borders to line and choose your color. Now I increase my border white to 10, then press enter. Now click outside of this image. Now you can see I draw a line around an image in iCloud Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.